Let's have a look at this question. So the cross-section of a tennis ball is shown in the diagram on the right. So we can see that cross-section as if it is caught in the middle. The ball is made up of an air-filled center. Yeah, we know, all of us know that inside every ball there is empty center that is filled with air and a rubber layer of uniform thickness. And we can see that that gray kind of area here, kind of donut shape, we know, well, it's not donut, in cross section look like a donut, that's that rubber. The external radius R1, so this one here that goes to the very edge, they are telling us is 3.4. And then internal R2, so this one that only goes to the rubber, that one is 3.1, so slightly smaller, isn't it? 3.1. So we have to find the volume of rubber layer. So basically we have to find the volume of this shape, the kind of donut shape, but 3D. So, how do we do that? So in your exam question, when you have to find the volume or area of a shape that you do not have formula for, because we don't have a formula for this type of a shape. So something that I will call irregular shape. Well, it is irregular for us. We don't have a formula. Okay, how do we do that? Always the same. We take the volume or area, depending the question, and we take big regular shape, meaning the one we have the formula for, minus, and again, either it is volume of or area of small regular shape. So what do I mean by that in this question? Let's just get some highlighter. So we have the blue sphere, the bigger sphere, right? So that means from the big sphere with radius, that will be the radius, we take away the small sphere, the one that is inside here. So we take the smaller sphere. Let's go back to our pen. So this one have a radius 3.4 and this one have 3.1. So when we take it away, therefore, we're going to be left with that donut shape. So how do I calculate volume of the sphere? Well, we go to the table and we get the formula for the volume of the sphere. So page 10, we have beside the sphere two formulas, area and the volume. And obviously we want the volume, not the area this time. So how do I calculate the volume of the sphere? That's it. So it will be 4/3 multiplied by what? Pi multiplied by r. What is r? Is the radius. So the radius in big one is 3.4. That is taken to the power of 3 minus, and then again the volume of the small one, again it will be 4.3 multiply pi multiply radius, again radius here 3.1, and that radius taken to the power of 3. We put all of that in our calculator, press equal, and to 2 decimal place we get 39.85 centimeters cubed. So this idea where we take from the big small shape, that is very often that is happening in your exam. And always the same. From big, we take the small and we are left with the odd shape.